Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy chicken a la king. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my copper chef pan. Any old pan will work for this. I have this on low warming up. And this is just, as I said, it's going to be really easy chicken a la king. I have a 22-ounce bag of diced up pieces of chicken breast. It's frozen. We're going to get them all in the copper chef there. I have a 12-ounce pack of frozen peas and carrots. We're going to put them in. And guys, Dexter's in a talkative mood today. Let me grab a spoon, guys. Okay, now I have 4 cans of cream of chicken soup. These are 10.5 ounces each. We're going to get them down in there. And I'm not going to add any salt to this because this soup has enough salt in it. Dexter, try and record out here. You want to hold it down? Dexter and my 2 parakeets, Verdi and Azul, are in there going crazy. What? Okay, now that I have all my soup in here, I'm going to add a little pepper in this. And guys, this really doesn't have much ingredients to it. It's pretty simple. I'm going for about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Now let me grab a wooden spoon. I'm just going to give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to turn my heat up to medium-high. I'm going to bring this to a gentle simmer, then I'll turn my heat back down. I'll let this simmer for probably about 10 or 15 minutes. Just till the chicken's thawed and the peas and carrots are thawed and everything's heated through. And I'm going to cover this, guys. Alright guys, this is done. I left it simmer for about 15 minutes. My chicken is heated through and my vegetables are tender. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I served this over some white egg noodles. It would also be great over mashed potatoes or even toast. Get in there and give this a try. Chicken's nice and tender. It's really good, guys. It's creamy, has a nice chicken flavor. It's not overly salty. Vegetables are tender. That's really good, and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Easy chicken a la king. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.